So today is the 17th of May, the Norwegian Constitution Day, which means a lot to Norway. So I decided to strap a Norwegian flag to my American imported, German registered Harley Davison and go for a ride. What did I just run into? I don't know, but I think I fit in just perfect. Check out all these nice cars. What the fuck am I doing here? I think maybe they're having a little bit of a car parade. I mean, I don't have an M car, but I have a M bike. I think I'm not ruining it, but I don't know if they appreciate that I'm here. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Fake it till you make it. Nothing to see here, folks. Just a bike and a car show. Completely normal. Nothing weird about that. Maybe they don't notice me because I'm right between two American cars and just blend in by being an American machine. Hour 2, they still haven't noticed me. Well, on 17th of May, people bring their nice stuff out. And this is not a country where people lack money, so the nice stuff is nice. There's so much fucking money in machines on this street right now. It's ridiculous. Wait, am I seeing this right? Another motorcycle in the crowd? So I'm not the only one who got lost, obviously. This is a lot more fun than I thought it would be. I was just gonna go out for a ride, and what the fuck did I get myself into? They have no idea I'm not supposed to be here, but here I am. You know who is definitely not supposed to be here? That Tesla right in front of me. But you know what? The best adventures are the unexpected adventures. And that was a hell of an unexpected adventure. I did not think I would end up in a fucking car parade on the 17th of May. But here I am. I ended up in the car parade on the 17th of May. How fucking fun was that? That just made my fucking day. But the 17th of May is not about car parades and motorcycles. It's about celebrating the beautiful, beautiful country of Norway.